Welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing video. If we haven't met before, my name is Winnie, and here I share my experience as a student nurse in the United Kingdom. Welcome back. I went on a shopping spree. Am I permitted to say spree or haul? So first thing on my list today to unbox is this 1.7 liter fast boil kettle that I got from Asda. It's brand Scoville. That's the brand name. So let's unbox this. I'll be putting up the prices somewhere on the top of the screen, okay? I'm just going to tear this carton now. So guys, this is the manual that comes with it. And this is the kettle. Oh, this is lovely, guys. It's really lovely, and I hope it works. This is it. It's not heavy anyways, and it looks nice. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but that's what it looks like. It's just a simple kettle, 1.7 liters, and this is the other part that comes with it. This is the other part that comes with it, guys. I'm going to be testing it, and I'll put up a video somewhere to show you how it works, okay? So that's one item done. I also got this pot, and this is 32 centimeter stock pot. I won't be able to open this now, okay, guys? But this is what it looks like. I'll be putting up the price, all right? Or perhaps I can actually open it up so you guys can see. Oh, so guys, this is what it looks like. This is the cover. It's according to the instruction, it says it works on all hot except induction knobs, but it works with everything else except induction. So this is the pot. I'm going to put that down now. It's quite heavy, guys. And I did some personal hygiene shopping, guys. I got this Inshot volumizing mousse, extra hold for my hair. I just got my hair braided. And I got this for about £1.15 at Home Bargains. I'll be putting up the price. So this is for my hair. I got this micellar cleansing water from Boots. I also got the Simple brand hyaluronic acid. I have been using this. This is one of my staples. I've been using this for a long time now. So I was just restocking. But I also got the niacinamide and vitamin B3. Is it the same thing? Booster serum. So I got these two serums, and I got the micellar water. I also got my eye gel. Oh, it's not here now, guys. I'll look for it, guys, and I'll put up a picture in this video. Just look out for it. It's an eye gel, cucumber eye gel. I got that one also. And then my next stop was Primark, and I got this for baby 9 to 12 months. It's a set of long sleeve slip suit, and I got it in neutral color. I also got bibs. Let me tell you guys something. The bib I got when I was pregnant, you know, these ones that I don't know how to explain it, but there's a way they stick together. After a while, the thing doesn't work again. I'm going to show you guys a short clips of what I'm talking about. So when I saw this particular one, guys, I rushed it. I rushed it like a gege bread. Look at the fact that it's a clip. That is it for me. That's the game changer for me, guys. Because the other ones I got, they stopped sticking together. But I believe with these ones, it will last longer. And it comes in 5. It's a pair of 5. Different beautiful colors, guys. Really beautiful colors. I hope you can see them. So I'll just bring it up close just a little. So this is what they look like. Really lovely, guys. Okay, I didn't open this one, did I? Let me open the slip suit so you guys can see. So I'll just open one piece inside. So this is one of it, what it looks like. This is size 6 to 9 months. So different colors in it. That's the pack. I just took one out. And I got myself gum. I like having this in my bag, chewing gum. So I got one. And guys, let me tell you something else I got from Boots. Free of charge, guys. Free of charge. If you haven't downloaded the Boots app, please and please download it. Now, if you are a parent and you haven't included the parenting, what do they call it? Is it parenting section? I don't know what it is, but I'm going to show you guys a video of what I'm talking about. If you haven't gotten that parenting app, it's not the app, it's actually included in the, if you've not registered for the parenting club, that is it. Parenting club, that's what they call it. You are missing out big time. I'm sure I did a video some time ago, I don't know if I've uploaded it, of the freebies I got from Emma's Diary and some other freebies I got. If I haven't uploaded that videos, sometime in the future I'm going to be uploading it. But guys, I have collected freebies from them, and yet again I'm still collecting. On my app the other day, I saw free Pampers size 2 or 3 available. What was the condition? Is it available while stock lasts? So I had to race down to Boots before it will get finished, and I had until 25th of March to pick it up. So here it is, free of charge, guys. This is size 3. Imagine, free of charge. And that's not all. I got this lovely Ella's kitchen. Now, in here, there's recipe. I'm not going to be. It's just recipes for children's meal, like pureed meal. So if you've run out of ideas what you're going to start your win off your baby with, to win your baby with, this gives you a box of ideas, lots of ideas. And imagine getting these items free. I'm so grateful. So if you have the Boots app and you don't have, or you've not registered for the parenting club, please race down now and register. There's a lot of freebies that you're missing on. And besides that, for every purchase you make, most purchase, they could, where applicable, accrue to points, and at the end of the day those points accrue to money, and it's something. £1, £2, £3. It's sweet when you spend that free money, if you get what I mean. So guys, these are the items I got today. I'll be putting up the prices up for you guys to see. And until we meet again, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button. This is where I share my experiences, real life experiences as an international student. So guys, follow your girl, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, engage, okay? And if you have any questions, let me know. And until we meet again, guys, keep winning and enjoying life. And I still have to say it again, please click on the like button. Don't just comment, like and share. And I love you guys. Bye.